Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Madhuri Shabali, Rehan School Online Academy, Sir Daulat Education Wala Assistant, and also facilitator, Rehan. And you know that we are conduct daily interviews and make a TEDx video interview with AI tool for English improvements and knowledge. So today's my task is TEDx. The TEDx more powerful activity for a discussion with you, rethinking education. So let's start it. So TEDx review, the speaker name is Julie Danford. Today I am very excited to share my reflection on a TEDx talk that truly inspired me, Aurelia. It's a talk by Julie Danford, an educators and school leader with over 20 years of experience. Sometimes we come across people don't just follow the system but dare to reimagine it. Julie is one of those people. Her story not only about building a new kind of a school, but also about challenging old belief and showing us that education can be so much more than exams, rules, and pressure. The main review just Julie began her talk by talking us back to the year 2016. At the time, most parents were sending their children to local outstanding primary school. This school left something was missing. Instead of simply following the crowd, she chose a very different and courageous path for her own 4 years old daughter. Why? Because Julie believes education should look very different in today's world. We live in a time where the internet, smartphones, and even and artificial intelligence with us every single day. So how can we still rely on old models of education that were designed more than 100 years ago? Julie wanted something new, something more meaningful. She traveled to Finland, a country famous for its progressive education system. There she says saw a school where children learned with joy, freedom, and creativity instead of street and fear. She was also deeply inspired by the world of the lead educationalist Sir Ken Robinson, who always said that creativity is just as important as literacy. That gave Julie the courage to follow her own vision. After 10 years of teaching and leading in a mainstream secondary school and 6 years of running her own early system business, Julie finally took the big step. She co-founded her dream primary school, a school very different from the one we normally see. Her school has no stressful and regenerating, no reverse the punishment to control children, no high pressure accountability system that often damage both teachers and students. What touched me the most in Julie talks is her passion for creativity. School where children don't just a system but actively love learning. She believed that education should prepare children not only exams but for real life that is full of change, uncertainty, and changes, and for that children need resilience, creativity, and confidence. So Julie's story is not just about one school, it's about our vision for the future. Our vision where education is inclusive, progressive, and child-centered, where school focus on curiosity and imagination as much as they focus on reading and maths. So reflection is that this talk really made me think, why do so many schools still clinging to outdated method, constant testing, rights rules, and stressful targets? What will happen at more school dare to be like Jumis? What kind of future of could we create it if every child grew up loving learning instead of fearing exam? Julie show so for me, the biggest lesson from this TEDx talk is education should develop the whole child mind, heart, and imagination, because only then can children grow into confidence, creativity, and resilient individual who are ready to face the world. So the closing line is that in the end of I will say Julie Danford is not just a school founder. She's a pioneer, a dreamer, and a change maker. Her talk leaves us with hope and with a challenge to rethinking education, to imagine schools where children are not just taught but truly inspired. Parents, teachers, and leaders who believe that children deserve better, because as Julie has shown us, the future of education is not about test, it's about curiosity and creativity and courage. So thank you so much. I hope you like that review, and that topic it's most important for us. And the main central idea is too good. So take care and Allah Hafiz.